So ladies and gentlemen, we are at the surge of Jaywick. It was meant to be a 9-foot surge, but it's only got 19 metres from the seawall. Take a look at around 1:45 AM. There you go. It comes to there, and it is 19 metres from the wall there. So we can see all along the coastline, all of the emergency services walking along the seawall to check that the perimeter has not been broke. But as far as I'm aware, it got 19 metres, and I think... See that, John? Shine on. Thanks, mate. Scotty?
Yeah.
It came higher during the surge, didn't it?
Yeah.
It was, weren't it?
Yeah.
So, I think everyone's alright in Jaywick. This is my last video because my battery's going to run out. But the surge got 19 metres from Jaywick seawall at the post office. I heard at Tower Camp, it basically flooded Tower Camp, and also at the golf course in Clacton, that is pretty flooded as well. I hope everyone's alright, and this is Danny Sloggett Vision, news at Jaywick, bringing you anything I can to help Jaywick and all the surrounding areas. Shine on, everybody, from Jaywick to wherever you are. Shine on.
There's another one tomorrow morning.
Yeah, 11 AM. That's as far as it's going.
Yeah, that seems like it.
That's it, isn't it?
Yeah.
So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. 19 metres from the seawall. That's where it ended.
Daniel?
Hello, Mark. Shine on, mate.
I have to put it in my eyes.
I'm not putting it in your eyes. That's it.
Man, it's so cold.
It's ended.
That's it? Yeah.
Yeah, well, I think the fire's gone out of it.
Stop there.
I can't.
Don't tell me, Danny, that I got
No,
evicted
mate.
for nothing. Please,
I don't think you did.
All these fuckers on overtime, mate.
That's 19 metres. We're safe.
All these taxpayers.
Do you know they all had pizza tonight from Jonglier's Pizza, 45
You're joking.
45 pizzas.
45 pizzas.
Over 300 quid.
Taxpayers. Our money.
I know that for a fact because I was in there. I was in there when they was in
That's
there.
crazy. But listen, if it did come on top, I reckon he won, but
And they had to
we'd all be swearing our words right now. If that seat come over this wall, we'd all be swearing our words
I
right
know,
now.
I know, of course.
So it's better to be on the side of course.
Yeah, my phone's died.